Okay. Good morning, all. Uh, as you guys know, that why they are asking me the permission? Admit. What's the matter with all? Admit all. Okay. Fine. Okay. Today we are discussing with our fifth module. Okay. So here we are going to study about text mining in the first classes. Okay, text mining. And later on we are going to discuss with navy bias analysis, and we have one problem to solve with respect to navy bias analysis. Actually, it is not in the PPT. I have tried to solve this problem. It's very interesting, so we are going to do it. Okay, so after that we are having support vector machine and web mining. So these are the four concepts which are having, and even we are having social network analysis, which is the last concept. So we can finish off the concepts as early as possible, but we will drag up to the end of this month. Okay, two more classes I will get in the next week. In that amount of classes we are going to finalize all. Okay, so with this let us start today's class. We are going to first conduct all the theories text mining. Okay, so yeah, what is this text mining? Text mining is nothing but just an art and science of discovering knowledge. Okay, so basically what is going to happen, see, nowadays a lot of amount of hard copy of the text is getting generated. Okay, so you need some algorithm. Okay, you need some algorithm which is going to extract the information from such hard copy of the data. Okay, so any data, for example, now you people can take Twitter. Okay, Twitter, you people can take Twitter. What happens with respect to that of a Twitter? Okay, so somebody is going to do a tweet. Now what happens, you need to start to analyze the data. Okay, so you people keep on analyzing the data. Okay, will keep on analyzing the data, and then you are going to come to a conclusion. Okay, because you people know in the last 10 years 90% of the data has been generated throughout the world. Okay, so with this we people know it's a science of discovering knowledge and insight and pattern. Okay, uh, yeah, insight and pattern for organized collection of textual database. Okay, so mining, you know what is the meaning of a mining is nothing but where you are going to do some sort of filtering, or some sort of what I can say, yeah, apply some algorithm. Then you people, what you are going to do? Okay, you are going to take the relevant amount of data, because the data is vast here. You may get all kinds of the data, like irrelevant, relevant, any sort of the data, but it is too vast. So what you need to do is you need to take the relevant data. Okay, so textual mining can help with all kinds of frequency analysis, in frequency analysis of important terms and the syntactic relationships. Yeah, that is very very important, because even if people can see in Twitter, they are going to do the emotional analysis. Are you understanding what is the meaning of emotional analysis? Where based on the tweet, they are going to come to a conclusion that whether the positive tweet it is, or it is a negative tweet. For example, any celebrity is going to do the tweet. Okay, then they need to do the analysis, and they are going to come to a conclusion that whether it's a positive tweet or negative tweet. Okay, so this is how the things goes, and it's part of growing data in the world. Okay, social media technologies have enabled user to become producers of the text. Very nicely they have told. Okay, producers of the text, and even images, because if people know nowadays, people can see one of the app like Hello. Okay, had you heard about the Hello app, where they are producing what I can say, images, videos. Okay, all they are going to be uploaded to the social networking site. Okay, just if I cannot speak about just as a text, even the images they are going to be producers. Somebody writes some quote on the wallpaper, it is going to get shared. Lot of data it is coming. Okay, text mining can be applied in large scale. Yes, very very large scale. Okay, very very large scale it can be applied. And large scale and social media data. Oh, today it's a hectic job for me, since I have taken the host charge from GSS. I think everybody is asking permission to get admitted. Okay, so fine. Text mining can be applied to large scale of social media data, okay, of gathering, measuring emotional sentiments. I told already about the emotional sentiment because it's already started from past, I can say past 7 to 8 years. Emotional analysis become a very, very important asset in the field of social media, emotional analysis, because any great personality do some sort of tweet, and suddenly what happens, everybody start to do the analysis. This is how the things goes into the television industry. Okay, and even it can be also you can apply to organization and individual scales. And basically the text mining works on text from practically any kind of source, whether it may be a PDF files, XML files, and so on. Okay, and even especially some examples, if I want to take in the legal profession, you go for lawyer field. Actually, when I say legal profession, if people go for law field, what is going to happen in case of a law field? Somewhere some document is there. Okay, some hearing is going to take place, and that verdict is going to be a very, very emotional one, or very popular in India. And then you need to analyze that verdict, I can say, right? Some nowadays a lot of communal verdicts are going to happen, or even some scientific verdicts, or like I can say cyber security laws. Okay, so there text mining is going to play a very, very important role, and in academic research also. Okay, in the world of finance, in medicine, in marketing, the world of technology, everywhere we are going to do the text mining. Okay, so these are the things works with respect to the topic text mining. And when I come for marketing, uh, people know the voice of the customer can be captured. They always, whenever you do a call for a customer care number, they are going to tell you that your discussion will be recorded. Yes or no? What's the purpose of recording such kind of a discussion? That's a very, very important thing. Again, you are going to do the mining. Okay, you are going to do the mining on such kind of the data. Okay, so what happens later? You are going to analyze the data because that's a raw format of the data. Okay, that again, if people can see, I think if Srishti is there, she can tell you about this marketing voice of the customer. Why? Because when we went for 24/7, okay, there was an round where they need to interact like with a live customer. Okay, so some rooms are specially made for that. There again, they are going to record the instruction of Srishti, how she is going to communicate with the customer. And later, they are going to analyze based on some software. Again, that is nothing but text mining. They are going to do what all the words, positive words she has used, what all the negative words she has used, what is the capacity of verbal listening and responding, the way of accent, everything they are going to do. And finally, the score sheet is going to be generated, right? So again, the voice of the customer can be captured here as raw data, which is going to analyze. And people can see we are going to use this in social media, like reviews, blogs, tweets. Okay, many aspects, and even listening platform, which is really gather social media, like again blogs and other textual feedbacks. And even we can have an insight on product marketing and better customer services. Data is today the word of the business is totally dependent on the data, I can say, right? Now if people see, due to this corona, there is lot of downfall in the share market. Can you guys hear me very clearly? Lot of downfall in the share market. Again, it is going to be recorded in the history of the database. The 2020 has been a major loss. Again, they start to do the analysis when such kind of the loss has happened before. How can do the analysis? When they are having a data, then only they can do the analysis. Okay, and even the customer call center, right? That is customer call center can be analyzed for patterns of customer complaints. Decision trees can organize this data to create decisions. Very well about decision tree. Now we have solved the problem also based on the decision tree. Okay, and that could help with the product management activities and to become proactive in avoiding those complaints. Yes, very, very good. We always say company, once you do, it's a mistake, again and again you do, it become a habit, right? So companies always never try to become a habit. They are going to solve in terms of mistake only. Okay, so this is how the things works. Basically, customer call center data is too huge. because just a telephonic data you cannot imagine. Now people see Geo and Facebook, they are making some sort of relationship, okay, with respect to that of business, because the social networking site and this telecom industry are very near, very near. Okay, so again, when I say business operations, like such as social network analysis and text mining can be applied, again there may be a lot of emails. And if people know nowadays, promotional oriented emails are going to be generating. If anybody is interested in digital marketing, you can do the digital marketing course, which is very cheap. They are going to give the course for only 400, 300, 200, and even 100 rupees. Right, again there comes different kinds of marketings. Among them, one more marketing is nothing but your email marketing. Okay, so if people can do the promotions on sending emails, that's one sort of marketing. Okay, and even blogs, social media, and people know nowadays there are many famous blog writers. Okay, and many people write on the social media, they become famous overnight. People, what people can say, TikTok celebrities. Nowadays people are finding TikTok celebrities. Okay, I don't know what is the worth of that, but the worth is they are generating the data and many people are using. Today's news channel is going to show some separate time for TikTok videos based on corona, especially. They are not feared, they are laughing. Okay, so when I come for again sentimental analysis can reveal early signs of employees. That is very important. Now suddenly, if for example Sridhis is working for TCS and I'm going to ask how is TCS Srijit, and based on the words of Srijit, we are going to do the sentimental analysis that whether Srijit is going to be there, have a positive attitude towards the company or not. Right. So this is how the things goes. This is how the things works, and even studying people's as a emotional investors. Okay, because nowadays if people go for insurance company, there are a lot of insurances. Okay, again they do emotional analysis of the investor, and all these things comes in the text business operations. Okay, and when I come for legal, I told you already legal, and where the lawyers can more easily search case histories. Very important. I have scrutinized one paper based on this legal documentation. Okay, it's an IEEE paper which I have scrutinized. He written very well, but the IEEE has not accepted that paper. He was from USA or somewhere. He has made one of the author to me to review his paper. That is again ligament analysis. Basically, the cloud is going to store all the data of all the cases. Okay. Suppose you want some information to that particular case, you need to pay and use, and that will help you to do what I can say prosecution. Okay, you can produce in front of prosecution, and people can say so and so case has been judged like this, and it can be considered like this. Even today the lawyers, they are working very well towards this. Okay. Then comes for text mining, which is also embedded in e-discovery platform and help legal mandate documents. Yeah, a lot of documents are there because in India, like country, even if you daily do the 100 to 200 cases in every court, then also the cases are going to be pending because due to lot of legal issues. Okay, there are no law written for some of the cases, especially people can see in crimes. Okay, and even case histories, testimonies, and client meeting notes can reveal additional information such as healthcare situations and so on. Okay, governments and politics. Again, lot of generate data is going to be generated based on this because every time the government takes some decision, then again that decision is going to become a historical one. Okay, historical one. So that can be recorded. But what some country like Tunisia, what they have done is they have created a social network analysis for the fruit vendors. Okay, so any problem with respect to that of their situation, they are going to do with a tweet, and government starts to analyze the tweet. Especially they are the one agricultural industries people, right? So they are going to start to do the tweet, and they are going to do the analysis of the data over the tweet, and finally they come to a conclusion. Again, their governments and politics play a very important role in case of text mining. Okay, yeah, text mining process is basically three types. Okay, so one is what you are going to do. It's basically a semi automated process. It's not purely an automatic process. where the text data needs to be gathered, okay, then structured and then mined. First thing is what you need to do is you need to gather the data, raw data, or even we can call it as a corpus. Corpus, huge amount of data, raw data. Okay, and then the corpus is then analyzed for structure. Particular structure you need to bring, because what is the data? When I say data is some meaningful information people are going to tell us. Never you are going to say it's a useless thing. When the data is going to be become meaningful, when it is purely a structured kind of data, or else unstructured data is not a meaningful data, because the data is coming from vast places. You cannot able to filter or do mining over the data. Once you do, yeah, you can do the mining on the data, then only the data of unstructured is going to become a structured one. Okay, and the result is matrix mapping. That is how the things goes. The structured data is then analyzed, okay, for word structures, sequence and frequencies. When I say frequencies, it is nothing but like matching of the words. Okay, when I say frequencies, it is something like matching of the words. And when I say structures, the data should be properly arranged. And when I say sequence, when the data should appear. Okay, so this is how the text mining process is going to work. And establish the raw data, gather the documents, clean, and you are going to prepare for analysis. Okay, and then what you are going to do, structure using TDM. That is very important, term document metrics. Means what you are going to do, you are going to store the data in terms of a matrix. Okay, where you are going to select a bag of words, compute their frequencies and occurrence. Because same data keep on occurring, you cannot consider that as a different frequency. Then it is waste of doing the mining. Suppose good is having two frequency, excellent is having three frequency. Every time the good comes, you are going to allocate the frequency of 2 in a particular word. Every time the excellent word comes, you are going to allocate the frequency of 3. You cannot tell that, what I can say, I am going to change the frequency of good to 2 3. No. Okay, that is how you are going to do a matrix, term document matrix, where you are going to decide the compute frequency of occurrence. And at last you are going to do mine, means apply the filter process. Okay, apply data mining tools. Basically when you are applying the data mining tools, the popular data mining tools are nothing but classification and cluster analysis. I think we have done K-means cluster example solved, where we are having Euclidean and Manhattan kind of clustering. Even we have done a lot of classifications. Okay, decision tree, regression. Okay, that is what all about. Again, when your data is ready to do, you are going to use some tools and you are going to classify the data. Okay, because whenever some celebrity tweets, and why I'm taking the celebrity today is the market is working on the same thing. Suddenly some celebrities, now you people see, Harbhajan Singh recently told that he don't want any friendship with Afridi in the upcoming days. Why? Because due to some distraction over Jammu and Kashmir. Now that become a major hot topic in the internet. Okay, then they start tweeting. Somebody says, yeah, Harbhajan is right. Somebody says, Harbhajan could have tell like this. Then they start to do analysis. Okay, that is how the things works. Okay, and this is our text mining process. So what is this text mining, text document matrix, TDM? Okay, this is the heart of a structuring process. Okay, this is a heart of structuring process, where text can be transformed into numeric data. Why we need a numeric data? Because we need to do computation over the data. Ratings, what we are going to say, ratings. You people go and buy some product into the Amazon. When you buy a product, what you people are doing to do? Are you start reading a comment into one by one, what he has written? Somebody has written good. How many people have written good? How many people have written bad? How many people have written good, excellent? Can you able to count, keep on counting? Because there will be 4,000 to 5,000 fits in Amazon or any particular product. Then what is the best way to do? The best way to do is to converting the comments into the ratings. That's a very good technology, where again the free flowing text can be transferred into numeric data. which can be mined using regular data mining techniques. Just filters. How many of them told 3.5? How many of them told 4.5? How many of them told below 2.5? Okay, these are very best thing we can do in any of the aspects. Okay. Okay, fine. That's good. That's how the things goes. And then the techniques used for structuring the text is called the bag of word technique. Bag is nothing but here collection of words. They are going to now. You people say many of you have worked on emotional analysis or sentimental analysis. You know there are six kinds of the what I can say words, which is very famous. Smileys, like smileys. So I can say right, sad, happy. That is how you start doing the sentimental analysis. Very basics. There are six. You people know that. Okay. So this approach measures the frequency of selected words and phrases occurring in the each document. The matrix is nothing but like a combination. Okay, T into D terms, term by document matrix, where T is the number of terms and D is the number of documents. Okay, so that is how the things are works. T is nothing but the number of terms and D is the number of documents. Out of 200 documents, how many number of documents have that particular term? Good, for example, bad, excellent. Those are the things goes. Okay, now creating such a TDM requires making choices of which terms include. That is how you need to decide the terms. Suppose it is about the product, somebody may have keep only excellent, good and bad. It may be some other thing you may add somewhere very excellent. Like this the things goes. Okay, so it is totally decided by you what are the terms you are going to keep, and then your related documents you are going to select. Okay, so then this is how the things goes. And text mining exercise, there's a bag of words should be extensive. Okay, and that will serve of course all the process. Yeah, that's what people can see. Document or terms, document 1 where there is a word of investment 10 times, profit 4, happy 3, success 4. That's how you are going to take the count. Okay, then you are going to convert that into rating. You know how to convert. Okay, 45% of people say I'm very happy. Total number of people. Okay, then comes here text mining process. Again, here are some considerations in creating a TDM. Okay, a large collection of documents mapped to a large collection of bags of words, where you need to have some sparse matrix. You know what's the meaning of sparse matrix? Okay, if they have few common words, you should reduce the dimensional. I told you, good comes once, take it account. Good comes two, then you make it as a group. That is what the cluster analysis will do. All related and unrelated terms, they are going to come to a single cluster. Okay, that will improve the speed of analysis and meaningfulness of the results, and that will even improve the synonyms. Okay, and that terms should be similar, should be combined and should be counted together. That is going to be considered as common terms. That will help you to reduce the number of tokens. What is the meaning of number of tokens? The distinct words. Okay, that is nothing but number of tokens. Okay, and data should be clean. Basically, you need to remove spelling errors, especially because your term is happy, HAPPY. Somebody try to write HAPY, then you cannot consider that as your terms. So you should recover. You should consider, yes, he tried to write happy, but the spelling is wrong. That kind of mistakes we should be ignored. Okay, and the terms should be combined, upper cases and lower cases letters both. And when many variants of the same terms are used, okay, just the stem of the word would be used to reduce number of terms. Okay, like for example, here is a very nice example. Like people keep on joining. What is the matter today? Okay, yeah. Like customer order, like ordering and order data should be combined. Ordering, okay, customer something you ordered, customer order, and he tried to keep on ordering the data and other order data like address and all combined together into a single token word called as order, where we are trying to reduce the dimension. When we try to reduce the dimension, the speed of analysis is going to get improved. Okay, so these are the things goes. And on the other side of synonyms, like should be counted separately. Okay, this will enhance the quality of analysis. Apart from synonyms, all other words should be counted separately. Okay, like for example, the boss ordered that the customer data analysis be present in chronological order. Okay, this statement shows three different meanings for the word order. Thus, there will be a need of manual review for TDM. Okay, you know what is the word of a TDM. Okay, okay, fine, Srijit. I'm hope I will do in the next class because already I'm getting up to the late. Okay. So term with very few occurrence in very few documents should be eliminated from the matrix. Okay. This would help increase the density of the matrix, density of the matrix. Okay. I think many of you have done many projects on this sentimental analysis. Right. Even I have done one project in sentimental analysis where they are capturing your screen. Okay. In TensorFlow. Okay. Not I have done. Okay. I have just taken the project from GitHub and tried to run, and it ran successfully. Where I have used where they have used TensorFlow and all. Just it is going to capture my face through my webcam, and it is going to tell me what is my state of emotion, whether I'm at present I'm happy, whether at present I'm sad, whether I'm angry, whether I'm ill. Very nicely designed. Okay, these are the things goes with respect to that of sentimental analysis. Okay, and the measure in each of the cell of the matrix could be one of the several possibilities. It could be a simple count, or it may be a number of occurrence in each term in a document. It could also be a lot of that number. Yeah, it could be a fraction also. Okay, this is how the every text mining process is going to work. So now comparing text mining with the data mining, because you already studied about data mining in the fourth module. Okay, if you remember, you have already studied the data mining concepts in the fourth module. There only you people have studied cluster analysis, k-means, and even you people have studied about decision tree, regression, and even ANN, artificial neural networks. Everything you have studied in your what I can say fourth module. So now let us just have a comparison between text mining and data mining. Okay. So what is the nature of data? It is unstructured data. Text mining data is unstructured. Okay. But when I come for data mining, basically it's number like alphabetical and logical data. Okay. What is the languages used? Okay, there are many languages used, like extinct new documents are discovered. Similarly, here basically it's a numerical system across the world. Okay, and when I say clarity and precision, okay, here the sentiment may be contradict with the words, but basically here we are going to use numbers are precise. Okay, and when I come for consistency, different parts of the text can be contradict each other, and different parts of the data can be inconsistent. Okay, when I come for sentiment in case of text mining, text may present a clear and consistent or mixed sentiment across a continuous spoken words. Okay. When I come for quality, yeah, that's a very, very important thing. When I say differentiate between the text mining and data mining, quality, we need to measure the word quality. Okay. Spelling errors can be, I can say, can be recovered in case of text mining. But in case of data mining, issues with missing values and outsider cannot be considered. Okay. So when I come for nature of analysis, keyword-based search like coexistence, okay, of the myths and sentiment mining, everything can be done. It's a wide range of statistical and machine learning analysis for the relationship and differences. Yes. In case of data mining, we purely based on machine learning concepts where I told you all the machine learning classes like regression, cluster analysis, decision tree, and ANN, everything comes under the data mining. Okay, these are some basic comparison people can see and read by yourself. But just I have discussed the basic analysis of data mining, comparison between the data mining and even okay text mining. Okay, so I need to have to solve the Navy-based algorithm. Basically, only one slide theory with respect to Navy-based algorithm, but I have can you see a problem? Very, very nice problem. Okay, so they are going to, I'm going to share this problem tomorrow, because if I start also I cannot able to finish this problem. Okay, that's a major issue. Okay, So what I will do is I will try to solve this problem tomorrow with you guys, and this is how the Navy base works. And then we are going to start with SVM. Okay, SVM vector machine. Okay, so what I will do is I will make Srijit as a host. Srijit, when GSS or KP sir just log in, kindly make them as a host. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Today's total strength is 63. Not a problem. I have taken the screenshot, and I'm going to take that, and it's not a problem. Okay. This is what all the content is theory here in case of text to mining. So Navy bias is a very good algorithm. Okay, where again you need to decide. For example, there is a problem statement and machine need to decide. I will just share an example. Somebody says the fruit is yellow and it is long and it is sweet. Okay, do you understand my question? Somebody says suddenly, the fruit is yellow, it is long, it is sweet. Now, people can come to a conclusion that there are more than one fruits which are long, yellow, sweet. Now, you need to decide whether based on the given data, that fruit is a mango, or that fruit is a banana, or that fruit is some other fruit. Okay, so this is my problem statement. Now if you manually people can see, okay, one fruit nododri hedadri, two fruit people seen told, three fruit people told, but when there are thousands together of fruits, how you will say? That's a very big question, right? So now you are going to apply some algorithm and you are going to come to an conclusion. Okay, so with this I'm going to conclude my today's class.